Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to start crypto trading as a beginner in 2022. Search this keyword on Google Chrome. How to start investing in crypto, a guide. How to start investing in crypto, 5 best crypto apps for beginners 2022. Open this article and read complete article. Later the 5 best 7 best crypto trading site for beginners update. Open this article. 5 best cryptocurrency. 5 best cryptocurrency. Did you know that you can buy, sell, or trade digital currencies while trading these apps? If you are looking for a quick snapshot of the very best crypto apps in the market right now, consider the 5 providers outlined below. Overall best crypto app in 2022. Coinbase best app in cryptocurrency for beginners. Binance best app for cryptocurrency trading. Gemini best cryptocurrency app for large investors. Scroll down, find out why we think the above 5 providers offer the best crypto apps on the market. The top 5 crypto trading apps reviewed in choosing the best crypto trading apps for your skills and financial goals. There are several core metrics that you need to consider. This includes regulation and safety, supported crypto market fees and commission, and user friendliness. With this in mind, we offer reviews of the best crypto trading apps in the market right now. After reviewing more than 15 plus providers, we concluded that eToro offers the providers. After reviewing more than 15 plus providers, we concluded that eToro offers very best crypto app in 2022. On the move, you will be using a brokerage firm authorized and regulated by multiple Tier 1 financial bodies. This includes the SEC, SEC, SISE, and the FCA. This ensures that your trades are carried out in safety. Thanks for visiting our YouTube channel Tax Tips.